welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is playing a tape where Lorraine, Ashanti, and they're talking. Now, the tape that is of Ashanti, that's from years ago, years back, or maybe a while back, I should say. And Lorraine is tackling that tape, and she's talking about also 13. Now, in this, you know that Dwayne and 13, they were friends at one point, and they became estranged. And also, that Ashanti and 13, they weren't talking because they were rivals at one point, but now they are on the same team. Now, it is alleged that 13 had called someone in Canada, basically emailed them and called them um, with this has something to do with Tina Chin. Now, this is a whole big thing, so you guys need to go and catch the video and like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And guys, remember to hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And happy new month. Yes, it's the month of March. See, the year is going by pretty fast. Now, for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, I want to say happy birthday and I wish you love, joy, peace, and happiness. Yes, throughout the year. Now, for all my other lovelies, I want to say have a wonderful and a peaceful day today.
Like and share, girls. Like and share, please and thank you. Remember, I don't know how Lorraine found this. I don't know how Lorraine found this, but I think that this is when me and Bigfoot was warring 360 for that land. God, hey, I fire me, I come from now. Fire me, I come from Jesus Christ. The way I used to war this damn man every day I used to war me and Bigfoot. Life is funny, right? Life is very funny. Imagine we was warring this man for Dana, only to know that all of them was in cahoots. Do you guys see the plot? It's tragic, right? It's very tragic. Imagine we was warring for 99 this man because the things he was doing insane. And only to go find all of them now on the same side of the fence. That's disgraceful. That's no class. That's classless people. And I don't care that all of them are class. And girls, I'm telling you, I'm not arguing with anyone. I won't come out here and go back and forth with anyone. I'm just speaking my truth. All of them are classless people. Because bear in mind, if me and you are fighting for the wrongs that's been done, the atrocities that's been done in social media towards people who we felt were good-hearted people, right? And only to go find out now that all of them are now together. Don't you guys see something wrong with that? Or not something wrong with that? I don't care. But bear in mind, I'm not cursing with anyone. I'm not coming out here and speaking over spilled milk. No, I'm outlining how diabolical they all are. Very shameless, classless people. I swear to God, I don't care what no one says. I will never speak to any of them. Never. And if I tell a lie right now, I want God to kill me my sleep tonight. Kill me. I want God to kill me. I will never speak to none of these people ever again. None of them. They are not worth my time. They're not worth my good heart. They're not worth my good energy. They're not worth the name, the paper their names are written on. And this is not me being malicious or hateful or conniving or whatever. I'm not. I'm just speaking my thoughts, people. I'm telling you, like, they are all classless, unscrupulous people. If Lorraine didn't play this video, if she didn't play this video, I would have not even remembered anything about it. But looking from where I came from to where I am now, That speaks volumes. You know, honest God, I am going to say, sometime in life, right, God have to remove people from your space for you to find your true potential. And yes, I know I know I don't have a lot of support, but that's fine. I'm not mad. I'm happy with the little God has blessed me. But I know God blessed me with these people for me, and not because these people are here because of that one or that one or that one. These people are here for me. And I know for a fact you people follow me wherever I go, if this, you know? And I'm always going to be thankful to you people, especially Sharon Ricketts. Sharon Ricketts is one of the people who really came out strong. And Sharon, you are an amazing person. I don't know why you don't want a page. I don't know why. Because it's people like you who deserve to have a page. You do. You have a lot of principles, you have a lot of ethics, and you are a no-nonsense type person. And, you know, come Dwayne, don't say that. Yes, absolutely. But Barbara, I mean everything I say. I will never speak to these people again. I won't. You see, one thing I know I'm good at keeping malice. Yes, I'm good at keeping malice. I am. Let me not sit here and dwell over spilt milk. Anyway, let's play what Lorraine has. That's it.
Wait, who the number now? We have to do the road. Call up the immigration. We want to call immigration people. Listen to me. You want to know about it? We want to have a call. Alright. We want to have a call for Johnny's faster. Johnny's for the train that's there. The number now.
What's up?
We'll play rough. National name 13. We'll play rough. Faster. We'll play rough. Because I'm going to teach you that here. Train that's we'll play rough. See the number yeah? Yeah, man. She had a blood clot leader, son. Yes, so. We'll play rough. Yeah. We'll play rough. Watch Jamaica address the blood clot put down a public. Play rough. I didn't find them post one and get her with a curacao.
I'm Aries. Kennedy, I'm Aries. Yes, I'm a lover, but I know it's definitely keep malice. I love to keep malice to people I don't like.
Yes, Johnny. Yes, I said I'm a blood clot home. Shall bring our country. Send our home. Move your Curacao is so big. 2 hours you can't drive out the whole of Curacao. So they will find out. They will find out. Trust me. They will. That bitch. Hungry belly. Hungry belly. Make them social ground with a little car, media, law, what no way to be a trouble fire, that's why they're scamming them. And a blood clot, and I try to some Ashanti like she and blood clot Tuesday. Be a trouble fire, that's why they're scamming them. And a blood clot, and I try to some Ashanti like she and blood clot Tuesday. Alright guys, we're coming back with the inspiration. No, we have to come here with inspiration and fasting. Look from this, alright? Yeah, we're coming, look it. Alright, so the big up on the set. Afraid she afraid in get her deport, yeah? So
No, someone asked a question, and what's your name? Someone said, David turned on her. No, this is when Bigfoot was on my side. Nadine, this is when she was on my side, and we used to war in Fidana. Imagine, hey, I used to be a big fool. I was a big mascot. I swear to God, I was a big idiot. When I war for people, poor me. Poor me.
See with her. Wanna see with her. She have a ride with the boss, cause he might get her deported. He might get her deported. He might get her deported. So she have to do this. She have to ride with him. Cause he might get her deported, you hear? Him play rough. Adishanda, the liar. 13. Kingston 13. This is the last Shanda. She afraid to get deported. I remember she said me can't go Jamaica, but it make 2 away. She can't go neither, but me can go other places. Come here, come to Curacao. So come America. Eh? She been control, yeah. Right there, so. Hell no laugh off her. And him that will learn of the sore foot. Our boss that will learn of the sore foot. She don't have no shame. Our boss, I remember me tell her no, it's not she contact the lady in Canada. She not in a no vice stranger. I use them, I use her. Cause them know she hungry, so them get it for content creator. Me, the truth lie with me who contact the woman in Canada. I know who contact the woman in Canada, not she. She never send no email. Lie she tell. Tell her to come prove it. Tell her to come prove the email. And tell her to prove the email with the date and time. I want to see. We are getting a challenge. The challenge, prove the email. Prove the email with date and time. Me show you say, me tell you say anything you want off the internet me can get. Memories are kill them. So the boss send her out. And if she come out, forget acknowledgement, she have to come with our reality. Lies. But become our reality. Become our bread and butter. Come prove the email with your name, date and time. Date and time. And let me come off and say sorry. I mean,
honestly, I didn't know Lorraine said this. I swear I didn't listen to this damn video. I just heard about it. I just went and go download it. Okay, I'm gonna bring it out. Listen, I would co-sign that part if Bigfoot claims she did all of these things, right? It shouldn't be a problem to come out and show the email that she sent to these people, right? People, hear me out. If on someone on the support people, and if it also asks for evidence, let Bigfoot come out here and show you that the email that was sent to these people that's got Tina Chin blocked from coming to that contract stuff. I don't know about that Canada stuff that Bigfoot claims she did. Let Bigfoot come out here and show the email that was sent to those people, showing her email at Dutch video. Lorraine just challenged her, and I'm going to challenge her too. Come out here and show the email that you sent this to these people and got Tina Chin blocked. If you can't, I already know you are a pathological liar. So if you don't show, that's going to leave me to say you are just a wholeheartedly pathological liar for real. I'm gonna give you the benefit of the doubt until further notice. If you don't, you're a liar. And I'm gonna pin this live stream. I'm gonna pin this live stream so your people can come and hear me say, I want to see you put out the evidence that you sent the email to get Tina Chin blocked. Thank you for your cooperation. Let's hear Lorraine say this part one more time. I want to hear this part again.
Lies. But become our reality. Become our bread and butter. Come prove the email with your name, date and time.
I agree with
date and time. And let me come off and say sorry. And me know me not say sorry because me know who contact the woman in Canada.
I agree with this
I
part.
know who do it.
I agree with this part.
Me know who do it. But because you're hungry, them give the storyline. You hear what name? Storyline. Come prove and prove me wrong. It's never you can. And she know no vice stranger people. Lie. But our lies them become our real.
Pause. Voice changer. Bigfoot don't even know how to maneuver a phone very well. How is Bigfoot going to get a damn voice changer? I didn't even know about no voice changer argument. Bigfoot don't know how to maneuver a phone well. She don't. She really don't. She don't. And I'm telling you, wholeheartedly, Bigfoot does not know how to maneuver a phone well. I had to show Bigfoot how to do a lot of things. A lot of things I had to show her to do. You have a point. You have a point in the comment. You have a point. This is funny. I didn't even know about no damn voice changer part. If I had known, I would have come out here a long time ago. Said Bigfoot, seriously. Show us the voice changer app on your phone, and most important, show us that damn email. We want to see that email. Show us the email that you sent to those people. Call Lorraine's bluff. Call Lorraine's bluff. Show us that email. I would delete my page. I would delete this page. I would delete it. Call Lorraine's bluff. I would remove myself from Facebook. Call Lorraine's bluff. I would delete my page. I swear to God. Listen, I'm not lying. No, even better. I will come off. I will come off of social media. I will come off. Show that email. And show the voice changer app too that you used to call the people. Let's do it.
Prove me wrong. It's never you can, and she ain't another stranger people. Lie. But our lies then become our reality. Yeah. What make you think when me play the one yesterday, me laugh?
No, sir.
Me laugh, cause lies started, lies in it. Yeah. If you don't listen for yourself, none of our story them not make sense. None of our story them not make sense. Me can't tell you no who be, but me not call nobody name. Me just left her in her lies and sit down and laugh at her. On the call for Jenny's faster. See number, yeah, I'm showing the number. Player very rough. Let me show you the number.
What player rough? God, I'm going to teach you that game, yeah. Train as a player rough. See the number, yeah? Yeah, man. She had a blood clot legal son. Yeah, so. What player rough? Yeah. What player rough? What Jamaica?
See our boss, yeah?
Player rough. Why you find them pussy?
Our boss, that.
What's a curious? She had this glaze, so
I am money attack. Our boss, that. They want to get her deported. See our boss, there? I him attack.
Call up the immigration. Call immigration people. Listen to me. When we have a call. Alright. When we have a call for Johnny's faster. Johnny's for the train that's in this. The number that. What player rough? National name 13. What player rough? What player rough? God, I'm going to teach you that game, yeah. Train that's a player rough. See the number, yeah? Yeah, man. She had a blood clot legal son. Yeah, so. What player rough? Yeah. What player rough? What Jamaica address your blood clot put down a public? Player rough. Go in find them pussy and get her with a curious up. She had disgrace Jamaica. Yeah, cause send her blood clot home. She had bring down country. Send her home and win.
I saw how low them be. She can forgive him, but she not forgive Mackie. She not even forgive Mac Dog. I saw them turning a dirty woman them, you know. She forgive the boss. But until to the day she can't find it within herself, she'll forgive him second with weed. The two of them with weed. You understand?
When called immigration people,
I saw them woman here and them dirty woman here. Them dirty, hold on. They will go back. And we have put out her wingworm body too, because she have a wingworm body too, you know. Don't forget that. She have put out one and another one of them out there with wingworm body. She herself have a wingworm body. She herself have a wingworm body. So don't pick up on herself, yeah?
She had a blood clot legal son. Yeah, so. Yeah. Why Jamaica put down a public? Yeah, rough. Go in find them pussy and get her with a curious up. She had disgrace Jamaica. Yeah, so send her blood clot home. And win. Who the number now? We have to do the road. Call up the immigration. When call immigration people, listen to me. You want the number then?
See there? I boss put it out.
Johnny's faster. Johnny's for the train that's in this. The number that. What player rough? National name 13. What player rough? Faster. What player rough? God, I'm going to teach you that game, yeah. Train as a player rough. See the number, yeah? Yeah, man. She had a blood clot legal son. Yeah, so. What player rough? Yeah. What player rough? Why Jamaica address your blood clot put down a public?
See, boss, them I get her deported if she not do what him say. If she don't